Hi, hello everyone. My name is Dr. Sudhir. I'm chronic pain management specialist in Hariom Specialty Healthcare Center, Tirupati. I would like to inform a very good news to you that from now onwards, the pain management center in Hariom Hospital is going to become multimodal, multidisciplinary, individualized therapeutic clinic, pain therapeutic clinic. Multimodal, various ways of therapy. Multidisciplinary, we are going to have pain physician, interventional pain management specialist, yoga and meditation therapist, physiotherapist and nutritionist also. And based upon the patient requirement, whether psychiatrist, orthopedician or neurologist requirement and OPD consultation shall be taken. Please inform this to as many people as possible, as many of your friends as possible, that right now we have only one center, under one roof we have everything regarding pain. So for pain, under one roof, Hariom Specialty Healthcare Center. Thank you.